Good morning, students. Students, last time we have seen that nucleophilic substitution reaction does not take place in haloarine, and we have also seen what is the reason behind that. And there are total two reasons, mainly two reasons due to which haloarine do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. आणि मुलांना आपण हे दोन कारण शिकलेलो आहे. फर्स्ट रिझन वॉज बिकॉज lone pair of electron on halogen take part in resonance and get involved in the resonance with benzene ring. Okay, students. And second reason is that the carbon to which halogen is attached is sp2 hybridized. That is why nucleophilic substitution reaction does not take place in haloarine. ओके स्टुडंट्स, आणि त्याच्या मागे आपण बघितलं की कशा प्रकारे कार्बन क्लोरीन जो बॉन्ड आहे तो शॉर्ट होत असतो, डबल बॉन्ड तयार होत असतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे तो बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉंग होतो आणि ते तोडणं ते ब्रेक करणं कठीण आहे. म्हणून न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन हॅलोआरिन मध्ये होत नाही. बट स्टुडंट, देयर आर सम ग्रुप्स due to which the activation of substitution reaction takes place. That is, the substitution reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction is activated. It takes place due to some groups. If such groups are present in haloarine. मुलांनो, काही इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप असतात. इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप जर या बेन्झीन रिंग वर या हॅलोआरिन मध्ये राहिले तर मग तिथे न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन होणार. ओके, आणि द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सच ग्रुप इज नायट्रो ग्रुप. NO2 group. Student, if this NO2 group is present in haloarine, then the reaction takes place. Suppose we are taking the example of haloarine as chlorobenzene. Okay, students, in this chlorobenzene, suppose nitro group is present, and this nitro group is present at para position. Okay, students, we have seen the last time the resonance structure of haloarine. In that resonance structure, we have seen the negative sign comes on ortho and para position. That's why this electron withdrawing group will activate this ring on para position or ortho position. Okay, that's why if this NO2 group is present at para position, then the substitution reaction will take place, student. Okay, now if we react this haloarine with NaOH, sodium hydroxide, then it is needed to heat up to 433 Kelvin, and in presence of H3O plus ion, then the substitution takes place. Chlorine is substituted by hydroxyl group, and thus the reaction is completed by OH. Okay, students, here if we see the substitution reaction took place, halogen is substituted by hydroxyl group. Why this took place, students? Because here at para position nitro group is present, which is electron withdrawing, and it have activated the ring and the substitution reaction took place. Okay, students, now one more thing is there in this reaction की मुलांनो, जेवढा जास्त हा ग्रुप राहणार तेवढा जास्त इझिली ही रिएक्शन घडणार आहे. The more the group is attached to the benzene ring, the easily reaction will be completed. Okay, here we have seen that the group is present at only one group is present, that also at para position. So the reaction took place at 433 Kelvin. In other case, suppose this chlorobenzene, to this chlorobenzene, one nitro group is present at para position and one more nitro group is present at the ortho position. Now we are reacting this with Na2CO3, okay, and the same H3O plus, but here the temperature for heating will be 403 Kelvin. It means less temperature is required. Here temperature was 433 Kelvin required. Here the temperature required is 403 degree Kelvin. That is less temperature is required. and the reaction will be completed. The reaction will be completed here OH, NO2, and here also NO2. Okay, students, don't forget to name these molecules, name the structure, name these compounds. Okay, students, here you can see as the number of electron withdrawing group increases, the reaction takes place very easily. One more thing, if we are replacing this, again one more nitro group is there. Okay, chloro, here nitro group 1, 2, and this third nitro group is there. In this way, 3 nitro groups are there. Now the reaction will take place in presence of H3O plus and warming only. Okay, here reagent was changed, temperature was changed. Here also the temperature is changed. As the number of nitro group are changed, the reaction takes place within normal warming only. No need to heat it. Okay, because in this 3 electron withdrawing, that is NO2 groups are present. That's why the reaction completes very easily and with normal heating only, normal warming only. And this compound is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, students, this is 2,4,6 trinitrochlorine. Okay, 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene, not chlorine. 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene. Here it is 2,4-dinitrophenol. Okay, here 2,4-dinitrophlorobenzene. You have to name the compounds. Okay, students. So in this way, the nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place in haloarine. If electron withdrawing group is present in haloarine, then only the reaction takes place. And that also we have learned, if electron withdrawing groups are more, then the rate of reaction is faster and easily the reaction is completed. Okay, students. So this was nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now the second thing we are going to learn, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this was nucleophilic. The other one is electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. ओके स्टुडंट्स, आता आपल्याला हॅलोआरिन मध्ये इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन बघायची आहे. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला 2-4 वेगवेगळी बघायची आहे. पहिली आहे हॅलोजनेशन. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन that we are going to study is halogenation. Students, if you recall, then you will come to know that what is halogenation. I have taught you earlier also what is halogenation. Halogenation म्हणजे मुलांनो हॅलोजन ऍड करणे. ओके, हॅलोजन ऍड करणे. तर आपल्याला हॅलोजनेशन कुठे करायची आहे मुलांनो? हॅलोआरिन मध्ये. We have to do halogenation in haloarine. Suppose we are taking this haloarine, that is chlorobenzene. Okay, we are taking this haloarine, that is chlorobenzene, and for halogenation it means we will add Cl2. This will take place in presence of reagent, that is FeCl3 ferric chloride. Then this chlorine can be added to the benzene ring, that is halogenation will take place. Addition of chlorine or bromine or fluorine, that is halogenation. But where this chlorine will be added? Okay, at which position? At which carbon atom? So we have learned in the last video that this haloarine is activated at which position? Either ortho or para. It means this chlorine will added at ortho position or para position. So in this way we will get two different products, students. One, this chloro position, the chlorine is added at the para position, plus second product we will get in which the chlorine is added to the ortho position. In this way we get two different products and plus twice HCl. Here hydrogen was there, it is replaced by chlorine. Okay, so the name of this compound is 1,4-dichlorobenzene, or here you can say 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Okay students, so in this way the reaction is completed, but here we have seen that we are getting two different products. Out of these two products, this para one is major. म्हणजे हा जास्त प्रमाणात आपल्याला मिळणार आहे आणि हा काय मायनर म्हणजे हा कमी प्रमाणात मिळणार आहे. ओके स्टुडंट्स, इन दिस वे the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place. In this first we have seen that is halogenation म्हणजे हॅलोजन ऍड केलाय आपण. ही जी इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन आहे मुलांनो, याच्यामध्ये जास्त मेजर प्रोडक्ट कोणता राहणार आहे कोणत्याही रिएक्शन मध्ये? पॅरा प्रोडक्ट मेजर राहणार आहे. हा का बरं पॅरा मेजर आहे मुलांनो? कारण या ऑर्थोवर जर आपण बघितलं तर इथे गर्दी होते, भीड होते, स्टेरिक एंट्रन्स राहणार आहे, दोघं क्लोरीन एकमेकांच्या जवळ राहणार आहे, म्हणून हा प्रोडक्ट कमी आहे. पण इथे काय झालं, मोकळे आहेत, लांब आहेत एकमेकांपासून, स्टेरिक एंट्रन्स नाहीये, म्हणून हा प्रोडक्ट कसं राहणार आहे? मेजर राहणार आहे. ओके, आणि इथे सिमेट्री दिसते आपल्याला, इथे काय सिमेट्री नाहीये. अशा प्रकारे मुलांनो हे कारण आहे आणि ही रिएक्शन पूर्ण आहे कोणती? हॅलोजनेशन ऑफ हॅलोअरीन. दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट रिएक्शन. सेकंड वी आर गोइंग टू सी दॅट इज नायट्रेशन. स्टुडंट्स, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द सेकंड रिएक्शन दॅट इज नायट्रेशन. ओके, आता नायट्रेशन कसलं बघणार आहे मुलांना? आपण हॅलोअरीनचं नायट्रेशन बघणार आहे. हॅलोअरीन कोणतं? परत आपण इथे ड्रॉ करणार आहे हॅलोअरीन. एक्झाम्पल ऑफ हॅलोअरीन इज क्लोरोबेन्झीन. ओके, दिस क्लोरोबेन्झीन. नायट्रेशन करणे म्हणजे काय? नायट्रिक ऍसिड सोबत रिएक्ट करणे, HNO3 नायट्रिक ऍसिड. याला जर आपल्याला सिंपल फॉर्म मध्ये आपल्या सोयीसाठी लिहायचं असेल तर OH NO2 HNO3, एक हायड्रोजन, एक नायट्रोजन आणि ऑक्सिजन 3. ओके, आता ही जी रिएक्शन घडणार आहे इथे काय होणार आहे? हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होणार आहे आणि इथे NO2 ग्रुप जोडला जाणार आहे, म्हणून त्याला काय बोलणार आपण? नायट्रेशन. ओके, ऍडिशन ऑफ NO2 ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज नायट्रेशन. म्हणजे NO2 ग्रुप लागणार आहे, जसं इथे क्लोरीन ग्रुप लागला होता तसंच इथे NO2 ग्रुप लागणार आहे. सो स्टुडंट्स, हियर इन दिस क्लोरोबेन्झीन NO2 ग्रुप विल बी जॉइन in the same way as chlorine group was added. At first NO2 group will be added at the para position and here it will be added at the ortho position. Okay, so yeah, the name of this compound is para nitrochlorobenzene. Para nitrochlorobenzene, and the name of this compound is orthonitro chlorobenzene. Okay, in the same way this compound is the major compound and this is the minor. Okay, so in this way this was the nitration reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. Now after that the third reaction is sulfonation. Okay students, sulfonation reaction. So in sulfonation means addition of sulfonic group. Okay students, we will see addition of sulfonic group. Sulfonation reaction we are going to see addition of sulfuric group. So we know the formula of sulfuric acid, students. Formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay, so in sulfonation, third reaction we are going to see sulfonation. Okay, sulfonation means addition of sulfuric acid or sulfonic group. In haloarenes we are going to see. So this is chlorobenzene, that is haloarine, H2SO4. Okay, so this reaction in the same way, at once sulfonic group will be added to para position and at the other the sulfonic group will be added to the ortho position. So students, take chlorine SO3 H plus, इथे क्लोरीन आणि ऑर्थो पोझिशन वर SO3H. ओके, one ortho and one para. In this way sulfonation reaction takes place with haloarine. Okay, this was sulfonation. After that, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next reaction of haloarine is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So students, in Friedel-Crafts reaction there are total two different types of reaction. One is alkylation and the other is acylation. Okay students, we have learned here halogenation म्हणजे हॅलोजन ऍड करणे, नायट्रेशन म्हणजे नायट्रो ग्रुप ऍड करणे, सल्फोनेशन म्हणजे सल्फोनिक ग्रुप ऍड करणे. आता इथे अल्किलेशन म्हणजे अल्केल ग्रुप ऍड करणे. कुठे ऍड करणार आपण? हॅलोआरीन मध्ये. Okay students, this is chlorobenzene. Okay, in this chlorobenzene when it is treated with alkyl halide, suppose CH3Br, then what will happen, students? Alkylation will take place. That means alkyl group will be added to this haloarine. Okay, and this alkyl group can be added at different position, that is para position and ortho position, and in this way the reaction is completed. Okay, so ortho position and para position, alkyl group addition, that is alkylation. In second reaction we are going to see the acylation, that is addition of acyl group. Same haloarine, that is chlorobenzene, when treated with acetyl chloride CH3COCl. Okay students, what will happen over here? This Cl bond will break and we will get the product. Two different products we will get. Okay students, at one the addition of the group will take place at para position, and in the other the addition will take place at ortho position. Okay, so in this way these reactions are the electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarine. Okay, you by the name only you should keep in mind, and we have learned earlier also what is halogenation, what is nitration, what is sulfonation, what is alkylation, and what is acylation. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the reactions of alkyl halide. Okay students, that is chemical reactions in the way how alkyl halides are created. Along with the alkyl halides we have also completed the reactions of haloarenes also. Okay students, thank you.